Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Competition Grid. In this video, I am going to discuss about the countries and their currencies using simple tricks and clues. In each and every exam, at least one or two questions are based on the capitals and currencies. So mainly focus on the currencies and the countries which are in news. Recently go through that country currencies and also that capitals. You will get for sure one or two questions. Actually, there are 195 countries in the world. Remembering all these currencies and with country names is not possible. Here I am giving some 69 countries at your fingertips. Please remember these currencies. We can remember these currencies very easy if you concentrate well on the continents. Actually, in the world we have 7 continents. They are North America, South America, Europe, Africa, Antarctica, Asia and Australia. If you remember like continent wise like North America which is having dollar as currency, most of the countries having the dollar as their currency. If you talk about South America, mainly most of the countries having currency as peso. And if you talk about Europe, many countries having euro or crown as their currencies. And if you talk about Asia, many of the countries having rupee or dinar as their currency. Australia again having dollar. This is world political map having all the countries. I already discussed a video on countries and their capitals with simple tricks. Please go through that. The link is provided in the description box. And list of remembering all the countries is not possible. Here I am giving some 69 important countries, capitals and their currencies to remember on your fingertips. So sometimes by eliminating method among the options we can keep the answer. That is out of 5 options. If you know the answer for 4 options, remaining option will be your answer. So be thorough with these 69 countries, capitals and their currencies. So here I am giving some of the clues to remember the countries' currencies easily. Here currency name followed by clue I am giving. First we are discussing about Asia continent which is having mainly rupee and dinar as their currencies. First I am discussing about rupee. For rupee, please remember the trick M-pin. If you remember this trick M-pin, then we can remember rupee currency countries. M stands for Mauritius, P stands for Pakistan, I stands for India, N for Nepal, S for Sri Lanka and Seychelles. And here Maldives and Indonesia are also having the currency as rupee. That there is a slight change. For Maldives, currency is rupiah and Indonesia currency is rupiah. These are the countries, that is Mauritius, Pakistan, Indonesia, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Seychelles, Maldives and Indonesia having currency as rupee. Next one, dollar. For dollar, mainly North American countries having their currencies as their dollars. Please remember the trick. You can sing in NZE hat. To remember this trick, I am telling a small story that you can sing in one competition which was held in New Zealand. Prize will be the E hat. If you remember this small story, then you can remember this trick. You can sing in NZE hat. Then first we are taking you can sing. Then U for USA, N for Canada, S sing for Singapore. And next NZ means New Zealand. Next E hat. We are taking this trick E hat. E for Ecuador, H for Hong Kong, A for Australia, T Taiwan, T and T means Trinidad and Tobago. These are the countries having currency as dollar. Next one, we are going to Euro. That is European countries having the currency as Euro and Crown. Here I am discussing about Euro. Please remember the trick. VC blame GF in Spain. I am discussing a small story to remember this trick. For every cricket team, there will be a vice captain. Blame his girlfriend and in Spain. To remember this trick, this is the small story. This VC means Vatican City and Cyprus. For the trick blame, B stands for Belgium, L stands for Luxembourg, Latvia, Lithuania, A for Andorra, M for Malta and Monaco, E for Estonia. And for the GF, G for Germany and Greece, F for France and Finland. For Spain, this is also country having euro as currency, and also each letters denote some other countries. So please remember this trick. Spain means Slovakia, P for Portugal, A for Austria, I for Italy, N for Netherlands. These are the countries having euro as their currency. Next one, peso. Peso is mainly having the countries of the continent South America, which is having peso as most of the countries having their currencies. Please remember the trick 3C Puma. For remembering this trick, the story is 3 countries all starts with C are using Puma footwear brand. These 3 C's are Chile, Cuba and Colombia. Puma means Philippines, Uruguay, Mexico and Argentina. These are the countries having peso as their currency. Next I am discussing about dinar. Mainly Asian countries having rupee and dinar as their currencies. Rupee already I discussed, that is M-pins. Trick is M-pins. Next I am discussing about dinar. Dinar, the trick is biscuit. The story is in Hindi, dinar biscuit means daily biscuit. That is JL biscuit. Please remember this story. In Hindi, dinar biscuit means daily biscuit or JL biscuit. JL means Jordan, Libya, Bahrain, Iraq, S for Serbia, Kuwait, Algeria and Tunisia. These are the countries having currency as dinar. Next one, ruble. Mainly 2 countries having the ruble as their currency, Russia and Belarus. The currency ruble first 2 letter RU denotes Russia. Next Bel denotes Belarus. Please remember that trick. Ruble means RU denotes Russia. Bel means Belarus. Next one, real. Real means Iran men, or also we can remember as Iron men. Iran men means Yemen or Oman. Please remember 2 men countries. These 2 countries having real as their currencies. They are Yemen and Oman. Next one, Cambodia, Brazil and Saudi Arabia. These having the currencies real, but their pronunciation is same as real, but according to spelling wise, see there is difference. Here real, that is Cambodia currency, real, that is Brazil currency, real, that is Saudi Arabia currency. Please remember this note. Okay, next one I am discussing about pound. Pound, the trick is UK less. Remember UK is using less currency. If you remember this trick, that is story, then you can remember the pound countries. UK means United Kingdom. L for Lebanon. E for Egypt. S for Syria. S for South Sudan. Pound is oldest existing currency in the world. This pound is very old and existing currency in the world. Next one, franc. If you remember MRGCS, this code, then we can remember the currency franc. These are the countries. M stands for Mali, R for Rwanda, G for Guinea, C for Cameroon, S for Switzerland. These having the currency as franc. Next one, Shillong. These three countries, please remember Kenya, Uganda and Tanzania. These three countries having shilling as their currency. Crown. These are the European countries, Denmark and Norway. So please remember like that. Crown is their currency. Krona. Krona as currency for Sweden and Iceland. For Sweden and Iceland, krona is their currency. And here are some important currencies. Please remember this. But for Thailand, please remember this trick. Island equal to B, letter B, and it will become tab. Then read it but. Read in reverse way, then we'll get but. This is currency of Thailand. Again I am discussing here, please concentrate. Thailand currency is but. Island. Here Thailand means Thailand. Here we are taking this last 5 letters as B, then we are reading from reverse direction, then BAHT, that means but. But is the currency of Thailand. Next one, Afghani, that is currency of Afghanistan. Leone, that is Sierra Leone. Last word of the country is their currency. Next, Bangladesh currency is Taka. Malaysia ringgit. Myanmar kyat. Israel shekel. Bhutan nalgatram. Japan yen. China renminbi. Please remember these currencies. Again I am reading. Afghanistan currency is Afghani. Sierra Leone currency is Leone. Bangladesh Taka. Malaysia ringgit. Myanmar kyat. Israel shekel. Bhutan nalgatram. Japan yen. China renminbi. Then for the Korean families, please remember the currency as won. Korean families means North Korea and South Korea. For these two countries, currency is won. Next one, here are some of the important countries or capital currencies. First one, USA, capital is Washington, currency is dollar, US dollar. Canada, Ottawa, currency is Canadian dollar. Barbados, Bridgeton, Barbados dollar. Trinidad and Tobago, that is Port of Spain. This is capital is Port of Spain, that is Trinidad and Tobago dollar. Jamaica, Kingston and Jamaican dollar. These are the North American countries, so which they are having the currency as dollars. Next one, for South American countries I am discussing. Panama, that is Panama City, Mexico. This currency of Panama is Balboa, Panamanian Balboa. Mexico is Mexican city or Mexican peso. Cuba is having the capital Havana, Cuban peso. Argentina, Buenos Aires as capital, Argentine peso. Chile, Santiago, Chilean peso. Colombia, Bogota, Colombian peso. Uruguay, Montevideo and Uruguayan peso. These are the South American countries having peso as their currency. Next one, Paraguay, Asan coin. Then Paraguay capital is Asan coin, Paraguay Guarani. Brazil capital is Brasilia, Brazilian real. UK London and is pound sterling. Ireland capital is Dublin and euro. Portugal capital is Lisbon and euro. Spain capital is Madrid and euro. Poland capital is Warsaw and currency is zloty. Italy capital is Rome and currency is euro. Greece capital is Athens and currency is euro. Australia capital is Vienna and currency is euro. Belgium capital is Brussels and currency is euro. France capital is Paris and currency is euro. These are some of the 24 countries I am giving the capitals and their currencies. Hey guys, please remember this capital and currencies. These are very important for exams. I already discussed. At least 1 or 2 questions will be given. So please go through this video for twice or thrice so that you can remember these currencies very easily with the tricks and some of the clues I have already mentioned in the video. So if you want the PDF of these currencies, then please go through my Telegram channel, which is the link is given in the description box. So please, thank you friends. That's all. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.